Okay, today we're reviewing the MRT Explorer exhaust system for the 2011 to 2017 Explorer 3.5 liter. This is the straight through design system, which is for extreme performance. It's going to give the most performance sound, the most performance in terms of flow, and give a real sporty performance feel to driving this car. Let's go for a ride and see what it's like. So simulated city driving, just low input, very mild driving. It's got a nice full deep exhaust note to it. Definitely can hear the exhaust system. It's not overbearing, it's not harsh, it's not howling, it's just it's about the performance for sure. And going wide open throttle. We have noticeable exhaust presence, wide open throttle. It's the call of the wild. I'm coming at you. So no mistaking what's happening. Wide open throttle. So if you're looking for aggressive exhaust sound without it sounding cheap or tinny or like you cut your mufflers off, this is a great choice for you. It's available in the Black Ops Edition tip finish or polished stainless. The whole system is 304 stainless steel. On highway speeds, drone is negligible. I hear some exhaust presence, but really very little drone. I'm going to give it a drone rating of 1 out of 10, which is very minor. Performance, it is all about performance. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 for performance. And the get noticed performance sound, 9 out of 10 again. So you're going to get noticed, you're going to have fun.